Hi, YouTube viewers. My name is Reddy Suresh. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. You are getting my new notifications. So, today, friends, are discussing trigonometry. Already, basic things you know that what is the angle, what is the hypotenuse, what is opposite side to theta in a right angle triangle, adjacent side to theta. Okay, already you know that right angle triangle. Okay, what is the angle? So today we will discuss. We will directly go to trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. So here actually three types of trigonometric ratios having that are what is the first trigonometric ratio, that is sine theta. What is sine? Sine theta means the ratio of a opposite side to theta and hypotenuse. The ratio of a opposite side to theta. Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Sine theta equals to opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Next, second one, cos theta. It is adjacent side to theta. Adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. What is the cos theta? Cos theta is the ratio of adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Next, third one, tan theta. The ratio of a opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. See, observe this one, tan theta. I am writing this one, opposite side to theta by hypotenuse divided by adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Again, it's going to cancellation. We get same opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. So, here opposite side to theta by hypotenuse is called a sine theta. So, I am writing here sine theta by adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse is called a cos theta. I am writing here cos theta. So tan theta is nothing but sine theta by cos theta. So remaining three trigonometric ratios, reciprocal of a trigonometric ratios. Reciprocal of a trigonometric ratios. What are the three? See. Fourth one, cosecant theta. Cosecant theta. What is the cosecant theta? The ratio of a hypotenuse and opposite side to theta. The ratio of a hypotenuse and opposite side to theta. So observe friends here. I am writing this. This is 1 by opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. 1 by opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. That equals to, that is 1 by, this is reciprocal. Again we get hypotenuse by opposite side to theta. We get same as it is. So this is, I am writing here 1 by that fraction. Okay, so here 1 by opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side to theta by hypotenuse? That is sine theta. So cosecant theta equals to 1 by sine theta. That's why I am telling that this is reciprocal of a trigonometric ratios. So fifth one now. What is fifth one? Now this is secant theta. Simply I am writing sec theta, that is secant theta. What is meant by secant theta? See, the ratio of a hypotenuse and adjacent side to theta. Hypotenuse by adjacent side to theta. That secant theta, I'm writing 1 by adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. That equals to 1 by cos theta. Secant theta reciprocal is cos theta reciprocal is secant. Sixth one, cot theta. Cot theta. What is the definition of a cot? The definition of a cot is the ratio of a adjacent side to theta by adjacent side to theta and opposite side to theta. Adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta. This one I am writing 1 by opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. So cot theta equals to 1 by opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. What is that? Tan theta. So tan theta. So that equals to, I am writing that 1 by tan theta. Tan theta already we know that sin theta by cos theta. So here I am writing sin theta by cos theta. So here cot theta, one more formula we can write here, 1 by sin theta by cos theta. This is reciprocal. So this is cos theta by sin theta. So cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. Cot theta equals to cos theta by sin theta. These are the trigonometric ratios. Thank you, friends.